Planning a commercial move in Washington State. Let's explore what commercial movers in Washington offer and how to ensure a smooth transition. Washington State boasts a dynamic economy, attracting businesses of all sizes. From tech hubs in Seattle to manufacturing centers in Spokane, commercial moves here require careful planning and execution. Full-service commercial movers handle everything from packing and loading to transport and setup, minimizing downtime and ensuring a seamless transition. Commercial moves in Washington typically cost between $1,200 and $4,500, depending on factors like office size, equipment handling, and elevator access requirements. For larger moves or specialized equipment, costs can range up to $8,696. Commercial movers offer a range of services: packing and unpacking, furniture disassembly and reassembly, loading and unloading, transport to your new location, optional services like storage and IT equipment handling. These services save you time and reduce stress, especially for large-scale moves. Most commercial relocations in Washington are completed within 1 to 3 days, with weekend and after-hours options available to minimize business disruptions. It's important to coordinate with your moving company to ensure timely delivery. To ensure a smooth move, plan ahead and book early, declutter, and dispose of unnecessary items. Label boxes clearly set aside essential items for immediate use. Confirm all services and fees up front. These steps can help you stay organized and reduce stress. Commercial movers in Washington State can make your business relocation smoother and less stressful. By understanding costs, services, and preparation tips, you can ensure a successful move. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your moving experiences or questions in the comments below.